Well, it's time for them to finally go. They don't fit the WRX, so the new owner is gonna like them more, or it's gonna fit him better. But the TEs are finally going. My baby. Oh my god. Okay, in my brother's car. TEs are loaded in. Man, they look so good. God. Alright, the babies are gone to a better owner. Thank God we're keeping in the family, or the FD family. But yeah, this is the last time you'll see the TE37s on the channel, and hopefully I get another set one day. Okay, so it's been it's been like a week or two since the last clip. So I am gonna go buy some wheels came up, probably already in the title. I'm gonna go home pick them up today and put them on. Okay, it's time to change out these horrendous wheels. However, there's an issue. When I bought this car, it didn't come with a lock key. So, my dad and I have been spending a couple hours doing some ghetto methods. But in the end, none of them worked. So we asked one of my dad's friends for some lock keys. Lo and behold, we found one that fits. Thank God. We were so lucky. So I'm probably just gonna give my dad's friend these lug nuts, or these lock nuts, because I don't have a key. Okay, it's finally nice outside. Weather does not drop below 0 Celsius, so it's time to change out the wheels. So I didn't want to use the OEM lugs. I'll show you why. I know you're not supposed to run, you shouldn't run them on aftermarket wheels. So I went out and bought some Muteki SR48s. They are black. And I went with open-ended just in case in the future I do go extended studs. Save some money then, just to future-proof. So, reason why I didn't want to use the OEM lugs is because it's disgusting. As I said earlier, you're not supposed to use OEM lugs on aftermarket wheels because the taper is kind of different. See that? And if I bust out the Motekis, the tapers at the end are different and it won't sit right on the wheel. Also, another essential thing you need if you're running aftermarket wheels is hub setcher rings. I like the metal ones better because they won't melt if they're plastic. But yeah, these are very important, so they put less stress on your studs. Yeah, that's right. I bought Gramlights again. Always love Gramlights. Gramlights are a nice wheel, but I always wanted this color. So this is Eternal Blue, I think. 18 by 9.5 plus 38 with some good old Indy 500s. 265, 35, 18. Kind of a big ass tire in my opinion, but I got them for a really good price with the wheel. And on the metallic gray is gonna look so nice, so I cannot wait to put these on. Fuck these wheels. Holy shit, wheels make a huge difference. Okay, the wheels are finally on. Got a little monster truck suspension, but I'll get coilovers in due time. But yeah, they really changed the look on the car, and that's it, that's the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, goodbye.